TUI did a great job building Unsinkable Boats. They collected their materials, then they drew their plan, built their boats, tested, and then went back and reflected. Some of them had time to revise and try to test again. They were all very successful, very respectful to each other, and had a great time. It was a lot of fun. All right, small block. Next size. Make sure it doesn't touch the side of the tub. Final block. Looking good, looking good. Good job, Zoe. Unsinkable boat. Unsinkable. All right, the first smallest block first. Now the next size. The next size. Nice job, Claire. Unsinkable boat. All right, small block. You revised, right, Nate? What did you change?
I changed that the tin, not just the tin foil. I cut off the horner part so it doesn't, so it's not reaching out to touch the side.
Good job.
And I put a soft mat, so if this part would sink, this part would probably not.
Oh, because of the material you chose on the top? That's good thinking. Go ahead and put your box on there. Good job, Nate. Good job. It's not taking on any water like last time. Nice revision.
Darn it. I never knew the box was that light.
What do you think? You want to test it?
Where did it
Small block first? You can't hang on to it. All right, place it in. Start with the smallest block first. Then the next size. Make sure it's not on the side. Good job. It's not touching the side, is it? Move it off to the middle. Good job. All of them stay on at once. So you're building from the smallest up. They all stay on all at one time. Are they all on? Good job, and it's floating. Good job, guys.
Oh, all of them. Okay.
All right, the smallest block first. Now the next size. Next size.
Wait.
Last size.
Oh, goodness.
Good job, ladies. It's not sinking. Unsinkable boat. Success. Second try. So how did you revise it from the first try?
I added more so it would float.
More wet.
Like, more to the sides.
More to the sides. Okay. So go ahead and test them. You be the judge if it floats better this time or not. What do you think? Better with more? Good job. All right, go ahead and put it in. Put the smallest block. Whoops. Now the next size. The next size. The next size. Make sure it doesn't touch the side of your tub. There it goes. Not taking on any water. Looks good. Good job. All right, put the smallest block first. Now the next size. Now the next size. Finally the last one. It's off of the side, isn't it? Woohoo! Is it staying up? Taking on any water? Good job. Way to go. Unsinkable boat. Touch the sides of the container. Are your straws touching?
No.
Okay. First smallest block. Teeny tiny block. All right. Now the next size. Look at the blocks that you have to choose from. Good job. Now the next size. Now the next size. Make sure your straws aren't touching the side. Make sure it's not touching. What do you think? Unsinkable?
It's unsinkable.
It's taking on a little water though. Is it taking on water?
It's touching the side. It was touching.
Good job. All right, the smallest one. And the next size. Next size. Next size. that. Good job. Unsinkable boat. All right. Go ahead. Start with the smallest block. Make sure it doesn't touch the sides. Next size. Oh, it stays in. Yep. They all end up being on there. Your boat's not touching the edge, right? Good job. Keep adding blocks.
I guess I keep it in the middle.
You have one more. Good job. Unsinkable boat. Good job. All right. Next size. It's not up against the side, is it? Oh, there it goes. Are they all in?
Yes.
All right. Unsinkable boat. Good job. All right. Make sure it's not on the edge. Now put the first small block in. Let go. Next size. Next size. Next size. Ooh, is it touching the side? Make sure it's not touching. All right, unsinkable boat. Good job.
I think I
All right, go ahead and put it in. So you need to put the first smallest block on. Now the next size.
I think it's going to stay afloat. Next size.
Yep.
Next size.
Yep. Good job, unsinkable boat.